Headed out for some Halloween deals today. I'm heading down in the city. There's a huge Salvation Army store, and we found some really good stuff there before. My mom actually went and she bought I think it was a Fossil wallet, and there was a $100 bill inside.
Real? I don't know. What you gonna do? Get down on it.
Just bought a $2 wallet. She found a $100 bill in it. Put it up to the light. Fold it up. It was crispy and clean. No joke. $100 inside a wallet. She paid $4 for. Pretty awesome. So I'm going to that one, and then back to a Goodwill that's down in the city. That's pretty big. Usually have some pretty good brands down there, so we'll check it out. See what we can find. Hopefully for some Halloween deals. Deals. Hey look, there's IKEA land, home of the Swedish meatballs.
English beer, the Swedish meatball. Bork, bork, bork.
So here I am. This is a huge warehouse building. And then look what's across the street over here. Oh yeah. That's old school Goodwill. And then the building over there is all Goodwill. Check this out. Got the American Eagle, $2.99. First find. Not too bad, they're really clean. Look at that. Awesome. Really clean. Man, if I only had the pants. $6. Sold. Check out this. Kalina. This canvas bag. Half price. Awesome deal right there. $2.50. I didn't find too much there, only spent like $15. I did find that cool Adidas jacket, and that purple canvas purse should be worth some money. So that's exciting. I'm gonna head across the street to the big Goodwill. Boom. Look at that eagle. Oh yeah, some American Eagles. $30 right there. Not marked up. What else? Anything else? I've got candy on the brain. So I'm not finding too much here. Pretty disappointed I drove all this way. It's Halloween. Got candy on the brain. There's a Free Country jacket. Oh, it's filthy. Free Country. Filthy. Can't get that. Not finding anything. Slim pickings today, folks. You gotta keep your eye out for prints like these. Southwestern hoodie. Yep, that'll be good. Found these right over here in the sheets. It's kind of strange. Always like to browse it just in case, you know. Mario stuff is good. You can find Mario stuff. That's good stuff. It's Mickey. Old Mickey stuff is good.